Hey everybody, it's Jay the Haitian Mogul here. Got another video for you guys, and this one is going to be about this app that I've been using. Well, I used it years ago, and I deleted it from my phone. Actually, got kind of tired of it after a while, but I actually was able to make some money off of it. And I don't know if most of you know what this app is, but it's this one right here called AdMe, and basically all it does, it just displays ads on your phone. So when you have your phone comes up, then you will see ads that you will either click on to view more, or you can just swipe off of them so they can go off, and they go off really fast. And then that's, you can actually use, by doing that and using your phone every day, you can actually make money. And you can also include these other options with the browser and social, but I usually just leave it as the regular one, to swiping off my phone. And like I said, you can include all three if you want. Now, the way you make money, see my balance is zero right now, but it's because I already done cashed out. You can cash out at $10 and up, and you cash out once a month. And you see, I referred 12 people already since I've been using it, and this is my code. All right, so I'm gonna actually leave a link at the bottom, so that way you guys can see how it works, and you can definitely try it out and test it out. It doesn't cost you anything. Once you sign up, actually, they'll give you $1 to sign up, and then whoever signs you up will also get $1. And then you just keep going like that. So just keep telling people to download it. And all you need is an Android phone, and get the same link, and then you use my redeem code so that you can get an extra $1 on your account, and then just repeat the same process, so that way you can make your money and build it up. And like I said, within 10 people, you had made $10. Nobody had to pay for anything, and you can cash out. So if you want some free money and you want to make it easy money, this is definitely a one way to go. All right, so if you have any questions for me, just leave me some comments at the bottom. Let me know that you have a question. And of course, if you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have more videos coming up for you.